Day and night, night and day. All I've got to say is, I was your girl.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is LexsaMarie with another video. Today I'm just going to be doing a room tour and just showing you how I designed my side of the room. Specifically, this is for college dorm rooms, so let's get to it. So let me just give you an overview of the room. So I live in the towers, right? So there's two beds on either side. That's my side, and this is my roommate's side. We get a sink, and we put some supplies under here, and then we have a bathroom that we share with our teammates. So for my side of the room, this is my desk over here. So on my desk, I just have all my makeup brushes in there with my palettes. And then I have like all my concealers in here, my foundations in here, and then my lippies in there. Then in my closet, I have a bin for literally everything, including my wigs up here. This is all my hair care supplies, and in here it just ranges from pocketbooks to it looks like a hot mess, but it's organized. It's pocketbooks, workout clothes, hats, etc. And back here I put some lights to illuminate my closet, and I just put my clothes and some dresses in here, some work pants. On this side, I have my workout stuff, some of my wigs, and some sneakers, looking pretty messy, so don't judge me. And then as for my bed, my bedding, I believe, is from Target. It didn't cost that much, but I put a bed skirt, which is very helpful, especially if you're not as organized as I am, because down here it looks crazy. But I have my printer down there, some of my bags, and this is my Tapestry. My Tapestry is from Amazon. I got it for about $9, and it just kind of brings the whole room together. Terms of over here. And then this is my handy dandy calendar. I write my entire life on here. So like if I have to go to clubs, YouTube ideas, just like what I have to do today. So one of them was to get cute and shower, and then I kind of cleaned my room, but whatever. And so yeah, this is essential for your busy girls. It was like $12 at Home Goods, and yeah, I use it all the time. So over here we have my mini mess. This is where I keep my toiletries. Under here I have like perfumes, lotions, etc. And yeah, I just leave it here so it can dry when I have the window open, and be all dry, whatever, so I can use it. Then here I just have like decorations. This is my alarm clock. This is a iHome, and it kind of changes color, as you can see. I have this. Life is good at the beach. Don't know why I have that. Then I just have some little Tiffany colored decorations. These are lights. Let me show you. Battery barely works. I probably have to get another battery. So since I can't use like actual candles, I just bought these, which they weren't that expensive. I got them at Home Goods as well. And yeah, when I get some batteries, they're gonna be pretty good. It's where I keep my glasses, for those hot days. Tissue box, And in here I just keep my bras and underwear, tops, and some of my pants. Let me put these on. So yeah, now I'm just gonna show you like basically like my snacks and like the shared space that me and my roommate have. Over here I keep like my hot water heater. Me and my roommate share this. We have our snacks. It's very important to have snacks in your dorm because I don't always have meals, so I just use this. And lastly, I have my little picture of me and my boo. You guys are gonna hopefully see him at some point. He's busy right now, but yeah, this is my room, guys. Look at this, guys. So the lashes that I have on are NY42, and I reviewed these in my last video, so if you can see, they're very nice. I like them. But yes, if you haven't seen that video, make sure that you click above. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it interesting. And if you are coming to my university, Towson University, now you know what the towers look like. Most of the rooms all look the same. They literally, regardless of where you are in the towers, it looks the same. If you have any questions on like, I don't know, anything that you saw that I have, make sure that you let me know in the comment section down below. And yes, thanks for watching.